Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever woken up after a full night's sleep but still felt tired, unfocused, and completely drained? If yes, then you're not alone, and this video is exactly what you need. We often underestimate how powerful sleep really is. It's not just about resting. It's the time when your body repairs, regenerates, balances hormones, and even clears out waste from your brain. Good sleep improves your focus, memory, skin health, digestion, mood, and even helps with fat loss and muscle gain. On the flip side, poor sleep can increase your risk of heart disease, depression, diabetes, and even early aging. The problem is, many of us are sabotaging our sleep without even realizing it. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 powerful and practical ways to improve your sleep quality so you can start waking up refreshed, recharged, and ready to take on the day. Let's dive in. 1. Set a fixed sleep schedule. Your body has an internal clock called the circadian rhythm that loves consistency. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, including weekends, helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. This consistency trains your brain to release melatonin, the sleep hormone, at the right time, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally without an alarm clock. Even if it feels tough at first, your body will adapt in just a few days. So pick a bedtime and wake-up time, and stick to it. 2. Avoid blue light 60 to 90 minutes before bed. We're constantly surrounded by screens, phones, TVs, laptops, and they all emit blue light that interferes with your brain's ability to produce melatonin. That's why it's harder to fall asleep after scrolling on Instagram or binge-watching Netflix at night. Try this instead. Turn off screens at least 60 minutes before bed. Use blue light filters or apps like Lux. Switch to warmer lighting or read a physical book. Give your brain a chance to wind down naturally. 3. Create a wind-down routine. We can't expect to go from 100 to 0 instantly. You need to create a buffer between your busy day and your sleep. Start a calming bedtime ritual that tells your brain, it's time to relax. This could include a warm shower or bath, light stretching or yoga, listening to soft music, drinking a caffeine-free herbal tea like chamomile or lavender, journaling or gratitude practice. Doing this consistently conditions your mind and body to ease into sleep mode. 4. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Your environment matters more than you think. To get deep, uninterrupted sleep, keep your room cool, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block light. Keep noise to a minimum, or try white noise machines. Use comfortable, clean bedding. Remove clutter, TVs, or anything that causes distraction. Your bedroom should feel like a safe, cozy, peaceful cave. A place your body associates only with rest. 5. Watch your caffeine intake. Caffeine is sneaky. Even if you drink it at 2 p.m., it can still be in your system when you're trying to sleep at 10 p.m. It's not just coffee. Caffeine is also found in tea, chocolate, energy drinks, some painkillers. If you're sensitive to caffeine, stop consuming it after 12 or 2 p.m. at the latest. Switch to herbal teas or simply water in the evening. 6. Get sunlight early in the day. This is a game changer. Getting sunlight exposure within the first hour of waking helps regulate your circadian rhythm and boosts your energy for the day. It tells your body, hey, it's morning, time to be alert. And that helps your body release melatonin at the right time later at night. Even 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight in the morning can make a huge difference. Go for a short walk or just sit by the window, especially if you work indoors all day. 7. Move your body, but not too late. Regular physical activity helps reduce stress, improve mood, and increase the amount of deep sleep you get. But here's the catch. If you work out too late in the evening, your heart rate, adrenaline, and body temperature might still be elevated at bedtime. So try to exercise earlier in the day, ideally in the morning or afternoon. Avoid high-intensity workouts at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Even light movement like yoga or walking counts. 8. Stop eating late at night. Eating a heavy meal right before bed puts your digestive system to work when it should be winding down. This can lead to indigestion, heartburn, interrupted sleep. Try to finish your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you need a small snack, go for something light and sleep-friendly, like bananas, almonds, or Greek yogurt. 9. Use natural sleep aids if needed. If you're still struggling, certain natural aids can support your sleep, but they're not a substitute for the fundamentals. Try magnesium glycinate, helps relax muscles and calm the nervous system. Chamomile or lavender tea. Melatonin supplements, short-term use only, consult your doctor. Aromatherapy with essential oils. Don't overdo it. Use these as tools, not crutches. 10. Track your sleep and habits. Finally, what gets measured gets managed. Use a journal or a sleep tracker to log when you go to bed and wake up, how long you sleep, what you did that day, caffeine, workouts, meals, stress, etc. Over time, you'll start to notice patterns, and you'll know what improves your sleep and what hurts it. This awareness alone can be a game changer.
Have you ever stayed up late thinking, I'll just sleep tomorrow? You're not alone. In today's busy world, many people sacrifice sleep to study, work, watch videos, or scroll through social media. It may seem harmless at first, but over time, not getting enough sleep can seriously affect your health, productivity, and overall quality of life. The truth is that sleep is not wasted time. It's one of the most important investments you can make in your body and mind. Sleep is much more than simply closing your eyes and resting. While you're asleep, your body is incredibly active behind the scenes. It repairs damaged tissues, builds muscle, restores energy, balances hormones, and strengthens your immune system. This is why people who consistently get enough sleep often recover faster from illness and feel more energetic throughout the day. Your brain also depends on sleep to function properly. During the night, it processes the information you've learned, organizes memories, and removes waste products that build up while you're awake. This helps improve concentration, creativity, problem-solving, and decision-making. If you've ever struggled to focus after a poor night's sleep, you've experienced firsthand how important sleep is for brain performance. One of the biggest myths is that successful people need very little sleep. While some individuals naturally require slightly less rest, the vast majority of adults need between 7 and 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Sleeping less might give you a few extra hours today, but it often leads to lower productivity, slower thinking, and more mistakes tomorrow. In many cases, well-rested people actually accomplish more in less time. Lack of sleep affects your mood as well. Even one night of poor sleep can make you feel irritable, impatient, anxious, or emotionally overwhelmed. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of depression, anxiety disorders, and emotional burnout. Good sleep helps regulate emotions, making it easier to stay calm, positive, and resilient during stressful situations.